Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to convert an image to a PDF file. So just first of all open up your browser and type in Google Docs. Then click on the second link docs.google.com. Now click on the blank document. Now over here just paste in the picture you want to convert. I want to convert this picture, so I'll just drag it over here. Now you can resize it to whatever you want, and then to convert it click on file, then click on download and click on .pdf. Now your image has been converted to a PDF file. This is how you convert an image to a PDF file. If this video helped you guys, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel.